Round one, beginning ring countdown to death.
Yo, what is up guys, how you guys doing? Today I'm telling you my top 5 personal tips on how to get 50 kills for Octane Halloween skin. Alright, tip number 1 guys is to follow people or like to follow the trails after jump off of the ship. You know, when it's follow the trails is so you can know where they actually land and what building. And after you follow them, make sure there's multiple buildings you can loot. Because a lot of times people just follow people just to get the kill or like just punching them, and trust me guys, I did that and I keep dying. I mean, that is another good thing for tip number 2. Tip number 2 guys is to be a shadow, and what I mean by this is just after you're jumping off the ship, make sure to go straight down on the map or like, I don't know, trying to chase a guy to get that kill, but make sure to be a shadow, because to be a shadow is one of the easiest things you can do. Because the good thing about this game mode is that after you die, you can respawn as a shadow, but at the beginning is the best part to get all these kills. Alright, tip number 3 guys is not waste any time. After there's like less legends to kill as a shadow, I recommend guys to quit the game and rejoin a new lobby. You want to be by this because after like there's 10 more legends, most of the time those other people who are shadows, they're trying to of course get those kills as well for the challenge. But this is way faster. You just quit the game, rejoin a new lobby, and start over. Now moving on with tip number 4 guys is to be inside the safe zone. A lot of people just want to land the safe zone just to survive most of the time. But you know, most of us like us trying to get those kills, trying to complete this challenge as fast as possible. And a lot of people, just like I'm saying, go inside the safe zone, chase him down as a tip, like in the tip number 1, track him down, and you'll be good. You'll be safe, trust me. Alright guys, finally tip number 5 is going to be on hot zones. If you go to hot zones are known for being very chaotic. One, for the loot, for the people you can kill, and if you follow tip number 2, you're gonna be set, because tip number 2 is to be a shadow. If you're a shadow at the beginning, go to hot zones, you have potential to get 3 to 5 kills, and it's gonna be such a quick progress that you're gonna get these kills so quick that you have no idea when you finish the challenge. Alright guys, so there's gonna be my 5 type personal tips I can give you guys to get these 50 kills to get the Halloween skin for Octane. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and have a good day. Alright, for the few minutes that are remaining on this video, it's just gonna be a pure gameplay, no talking, no anything. It's just a first gameplay and the first victory. I got a new event. Just go ahead and enjoy guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Good luck with those kills. See ya.